Hey, Graham, how's it going? Long time no see, my man. How are you doing?
Good. How's Hawaii?
Ah, amazing, man. Beautiful sun.
Yeah, what are you up to today?
Just coming from the studio, grabbing some lunch.
What kind of studio do you got?
It's a video studio. Video, audio.
I'm sick. I've actually got a couple of videos I want to shoot.
Yeah? I have a free afternoon right now if you want to check it out.
I'd love to. Let's go. Just around the corner.
Yeah, let's go.
So Graham, with multi-story homes, are there any specialized methods or processes or technologies that you use to speed up the replacement process versus a standalone home?
Absolutely. This is going to be my best favorite question of the day because we're actually going to take a field trip after this and I'm going to show you something really cool. So revolutionary. Before this year, we had to cut apart entire condo buildings and do your typical pipe replacement. Lots of damage, lots of restoration. Now we have partners with a company called Kit Tracks, and they have this plumbing tracks system where it actually goes around like a crown molding around the units, and we can clip our pipe into them. We have almost zero downtime for unit owners. You can live in the units while we're doing all the work. Almost no mess, almost no cleanup. It is absolutely game-changing when it comes to pipe replacement in multi-story buildings. So I'm glad you asked that question, and I'm actually really excited to bring yourself and Chris out too on our field trip this afternoon.
Yeah, that'll be
And
great.
I'm going to show you a whole building. It's going to be great.
Awesome. I'm excited.
I'm excited. I'm excited.